Hey everyone, I'm back again to talk about the Goggles 3 and the Goggles V2. And it's for those of us that wear the glasses and have astigmatism. The nice thing about the DJI Goggles V2 is that I didn't have to have any kind of lens correction in here. I was able to just keep my glasses on and just put them right on, and I was able to look around and no issues. Didn't have to take the glasses off. I could just leave them on and everything was good to go. It's not the case with the DJI Goggles 3. DJI Goggles 3, they got the little lenses here, got, the small, doesn't work. So what they have is you get your diopters that are adjustable in here. They have, they twist in the little lens correctors twist in here so that you can adjust your prescription strength. It's fine if you don't have astigmatism, but if you have astigmatism, it's a problem. So, I was hoping that it wouldn't be a big deal when I ordered these. And, I got them in. I went through the instructions, on that you go through. They have some strong strength lenses. I popped them out, or I popped them in, I say, and I adjusted them, and to no avail. It wasn't any good. So I was very disappointed. I was like, well, and they did say, on DJI's website, if you got astigmatism, you're going to have to use some different lenses. So I got on the internet, I started looking around, what are my options, and I found a website called, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It was called HonsVR, and I got on there, and I had gone and obviously I wear glasses, but I had gone and gotten my prescription from my doctor, and they had given it to me. So I'd gone to this website, and I'm going to show you what to do when you go to this website. But basically, you go in there and you put your prescription in there for both your eyes, because if you got astigmatism, or regardless or not, but it's going to be different for each eye. But you put them in there and you order them, and these things came from China. But I had these lenses within about a week's time. But it did come from China. But they came in this nice little box. You can see it says HonsVR, and open the box up, and it was nice, and the micro cleaning fiber cloth, and it came in there and had my prescriptions already on there, to verify that this was, what I put in there, which it was. And but in there, it came and had a nice little carry case for my lenses, and open it up, and basically had which lens was for the left and for the right. And but DJI has a video on how to swap the lenses out, but so I'm not going to get into that here. But I just wanted to let people know who have astigmatism, and are looking at getting at the DJI Goggles 3 or 2, or I guess the Integras as well, to have these. But basically these I got these binocular type of lenses here. They twist and they pop out, but these lenses here, they fit in here, and they're perfect, absolutely perfect. For if you have astigmatism. But I just wanted to show these to you, and let you know that this company was spot on. They're great. Like I said, I had these things in about a week, and I'm very happy with them. But I just wanted to share that with you, and I'll show you the website here. let you know that you can order from them, you know, and have peace of mind that you're going to get exactly what you order. And they have they obviously do lenses for other goggles and for VR headsets as well. But yeah, that's basically just what I wanted to show and share with y'all. And that's it. So yeah, this video is for those of us who are dealing with astigmatism, and you know, and because this is going to affect you if you're you know, using, you know, these type of goggles, because this, you know, it's not going to be able to you're not going to be able to use these without getting, you know, some type of lens correction, you know. Okay, real quick, I just wanted to go over the website. It's HonsVR.com, HONSVR.com. Okay, so here we are. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get there is, you know, you're going to want to create an account. I've already got an account created, but when you get here, you're going to, you know, you can kind of explore around and take a look at the different things that they have. You know, they're really big for virtual reality headsets, but here we're going to want to look at the you know, for our FPV goggles. So if we go over here to the link shop and we come down here to DJI Goggles, you can see that they do have for the DJI FPV V1 and V2 goggles, the DJI Goggles 2, DJI Goggles 3, and the Goggles Integra. So this would, you know, apply for all of them. But, you know, right here, looking at the Goggles 3, you can see that they're a little more expensive than the others, by about $5. This is US dollars. So we select that, and, you know, you're going to need to go to your eye doctor and get your eye prescriptions. So all you got to do is, you know, you'll put the your prescription in for each eye, and you know, you'll have your positive or negative here for your astigmatism, and you know, you'll put them in, and you know, if you have any question about what any of these means, you know, it'll tell you, you know, put your mouse over your little question marks here, and it'll tell you. There's no need for a blue light filter. I think the Goggles 3 already has a blue light filter on the lenses themselves. So yeah, put no. But you know, the other ones, you know, I guess go ahead and, you know, 'cause free. You know, for my left eye, it was a little bit stronger for my right, so it actually went up by like $5 on mine. So I think I ended up spending like $60. So then you can come down here and you know, read a little bit more about, you know, what these numbers mean. You know, also it says a limited time sale. You know, here we are at the, you know, coming towards the end of January. I ordered these. The same sale was going on at the beginning of December, so, you know, I don't know how long this sale is going on, but I can tell you that I did order these on a Friday evening, and they had these, you know, had mine made by, I guess, you know, they're in China, so they had it made, you know, by lunch Saturday the next day for me, and in the mail. And towards the end of the following week, I had them, you know, in hand and already installed in my Goggles 3, and they were spot on. I'm very happy with them. I highly recommend this company for your you know, for your lenses if you have an astigmatism and you need these for your you know, for your goggles. So yeah, that's it. I highly recommend them. So I just wanted to get this out there for anyone who is dealing with an astigmatism, you know, with your eyes, and you know, because when you get these goggles, the adjustments that can be made with them, out of the box, is not going to be enough to to get over that. At least not to get over my astigmatism. So this right here, this does the trick. All right, that's it. I appreciate you watching.